Options Center after the bell, 6:15:21. Thanks for joining us here. Before we get into the market update, I want to thank everybody, especially if you're new. Go down to that bottom right-hand corner, the Options Center logo, and hit the subscribe button so you can get these videos, updates, and on the weekend as well. We're going to go through SPX. We're going to hit up a few names, review them, see some of the names that were tracked in the Option Guys Discord. Is free Discord. Look down in the description, and the link is there. We will check those out and end off with the SPX and ES. Okay, starting off with the SPX on the daily, just grinding our way away. You know, this could be a wave 5 that we're headed to now. 1, 2, 3, really short 4, and working on wave 5 here. This could be just a wave 3 in itself. So we'll have to wait and see how this, plays out, especially after tomorrow, after the Fed FOMC speech and minutes and whatnot come out. So, but overall, just with the technicals, we're riding the 8-day. We can't seem to get underneath there. We just keep grinding every day. So the MO right now is just as we dip in the morning or the evening, we just buy the dip and take a short scalp. So we've been playing with the futures and just in and out lately. Other than that, individual names are moving, so don't forget about those. All right, let's move over to, let's go through some of these names. Let me click over on the Discord on the other screen here. Okay, a couple names. Walmart. Oh, I keep typing it in there. I did that earlier. Hold on. Let me get down on this screen. Okay, Walmart. All right, Walmart took an ABC dip. We think that's over. I think we have a wave 5 in here already, and we're pulling back. This is possibly a wave 5 here, and then we have a pullback, then a new wave 1 up. So this does fit the wave 1 scenario. It would be invalidated. Wave 1, wave 2 down to the 618. It'd be invalidated if we get underneath this candle here. So looking a little bit in a bullish posture on Walmart so far after grinding down in a corrective move here for a minute. Okay, Costco. Costco, huge move. And now we're having, a consolidation from the end of April till now into a triangle. We think we have one more move in here. If this next move comes out as a 5-wave up, then we'll continue to monitor to see if we can get a new wave 1 and continue higher. So we'll see if we can break out of this symmetrical triangle, either to the downside or upside. Until then, we will not play it within there. It's a wave 4 complex consolidation. BA stair stepping in our Discord. I and on my Twitter as well. I put a bunch of screenshots and described a technical picture from the weekly, daily, and hourly only for the Discord to get into detail. But we have a possible wave 1, 2, 3, and wave 4. We're pinched in between the 20 MA and 8 MA. If we had trouble getting over the 8 MA today, we have an inside day. If we do an inside day up, then we'll be bullish on that, and the correction should be over. If we do an inside day down, then it looks like we might have a different count, maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll have to reconsider our count. But we did jump into BA for next week expiration, and it's still valid if you want to jump in, unless we gap up tomorrow. Intel's right at resistance. There's a lot of supply here, and then we have a gap. I didn't put that gap in right around this area. I won't be precise on this, but so a lot of resistance up top here. I'd be careful if you're getting into Intel unless we start filling that gap. Facebook just grinding up I think we might have to take a breather on this soon, but we do have a very bullish count that that drove and ground to the upside, and I think we're getting pretty extended on that. Maybe this is the wave 5 of 5, and we might have to come back, pull back for a wave 2, a much bigger wave 2, and continue to the upside. I am bullish on Facebook, but I think we're a little extended right now. Shop. Good call on Shop. It had a nice move to the upside. This could be a wave 1, 2, and working on wave 3. So maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, and working on wave 3 there. I like Shop. Chwy. I think we had a 5 wave after this ABC correction. We have a 5 wave up. I think we have to come back just a little bit more to that 618 to extend further. That would be a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 higher. Let me go into the members. Had some signals here. Intel we already went through. Qcom. I don't think I've mapped out Qcom in forever. Oh, I typed it in there again. What do you know? Type it in the right spot. Qcom. Looking on the daily, right here, rejected off the 200-day and the 100-day. Headed to the downside. We're probably gonna have to go sideways for a little bit. If we do decide to pop over, then that'd be very bullish, and then looks like we have a nice big gap to retest here. So if we can get over this 100 MA, close a day over it, then I think we're clear skies. A little bit of resistance in between, but we're probably gonna test that gap. AMD. Really like AMD. It's just been sideways for so long. It looks like a complex possible head and shoulder, but on the bullish aspect, we got to get over this downtrend line here before we can get too bullish on it. So right now, it's not really too much of a touch for me. This could be a wave 1, 2, 3 and a complex wave 4. So possibly a wave 5 into test the 200 and the downtrend line, and then maybe pull back to a 618 for a wave 2. So this could be a wave 1, 2, and higher if we are bullish on this. Disney anytime now is going to break this downtrend. I tried to do it today, but we rejected off of it. Looks like we might have to come back to the 618 for a wave 2, wave 1, 2, and then higher there. So we'll be monitoring and setting alerts. Make sure you set your alerts. We talked about that in the Discord today, Parian. And that way you can set it and forget it. Okay, got that. Actually, I'll raise it just a little higher, just in case. Okay, so we got that set. Gold. I want to make sure we go through gold. I went through gold in detail, again, in the Discord and on Twitter, just to make sure that we know what's happening right now, or what we think is happening. We are working on wave 3. That's a minor wave 3. And a pullback for wave 4. We had A, B, C. I think the correction's over. It's a 38.2. It made it back to. And now we have an inside day. If you want to go into detail, check out the Discord. I do believe we are starting our bounce to the upside. We do have to worry about the momentum headed to the downside, but we'll keep monitoring that. We came down to the 50 in the RSI, and therefore it's likely that we'll bounce off of there and continue bouncing on the upside in the RSI. Similar to when you're in a downtrend, you see how the price bounces back and forth underneath the 50, the dotted line. Now we're above it. We came to extreme measures, and we're coming back down to it to test it, and I do believe we'll continue the upside. Okay, all right, that's it, you guys. We will do another video in the morning. We'll check out some trade ideas, and please join that Discord, like the video. Thanks for joining us here at Options Tender. Have a good night.